Finally. Bye-bye.
Pero yung pagkatao na isang individual sa President Bongbong Marcos, tapos wala kang ginagawa sa Republika, the power at its responsibility of being natin, isang ang balik sa President Marcos, at its responsibility.
I was so scared she'd put me back in that case. But you saved me. You're perfect. Too perfect to lose. I'm sorry. I can't let you leave. I've never met anyone like you. Do you know how long I've been stuck in that case? Well, too long. I had so much time to think and reflect. Time to figure out exactly what I would do when free. We'll set things right. Terrible things have happened. But I know that whatever I need you to do, you're capable. We will. What if...
It's going faster.
Para labanan ang mga questionable survey, binuon ng Comelec ang task force rescatter.
Ayun yung ating pinulated task force na papapod natin sa Commission hanggang sila ang responsible sa pagpapatupad ng guidelines natin sa regulasyon sa Complex Survey Organization Machine.
Para malaman kung na-ideklara ito sa Statement of Contributions and Expenditures ng mga kandidato.
Para din natin, na-exclude natin yung mga kabutihan lang na para mga mushroom na nagsulputan ng mga survey organization na talaga namang ang purpose lang ay magpabayad para sabihin kung